Today, we're not just looking at the differences between Gemini and ChatGPT. We're also taking a look at two products in the Rokid AI Glasses lineup, Rokid Glasses and Rokid AI Glasses Style. First, we'll briefly go over the differences between the two glasses, then focus on comparing the two AI models. What many people really care about is not just what they can do, but in everyday use, when Gemini makes more sense and when GPT is the better choice. Today, I'll use a few real-life scenarios to help you understand it quickly. First, let's take a quick look at the two products. Rokid Glasses lean more toward a futuristic, tech-forward experience with a built-in UI display. Rokid AI Glasses Style, on the other hand, are designed more for everyday wear and a fashion-forward look. We'll keep this part brief, because today's real focus is not which product to choose, but how Gemini and ChatGPT actually differ when used in real-life scenarios. When you want to identify an object,
Hey Rokid. What's this?
It looks like a smartphone being held in someone's hand.
Gemini's answer tends to be richer and closer to what people are actually looking for.
What's this?
Specifically one of the Pro models, like the iPhone 15 Pro or 14 Pro.
When you want to refine your script,
Hey Rokid. Please help me optimize this article in front of me.
To make your article more engaging and professional, I suggest these refinements.
ChatGPT is a better fit for you. It gives you more optimization options.
Please help me optimize this article in front of me.
Here's a polished, clearer, more concise version of the article you're viewing. Need prescription lenses for your Rokid AI glasses.
If I had to sum it up first, Gemini fits real-world information, search, and out-and-about tasks better. ChatGPT fits expression, organization, and content output better. It's not that one replaces the other. They simply shine in different directions. The first scenario is going out. Maybe you're in a new place and want to find a restaurant, a coffee shop, or simply figure out where to go next. In moments like that, I'd lean more toward Gemini, because it feels better suited for situations strongly tied to real-world information and immediate context. In this kind of situation, it just feels smoother to use. The second scenario is content and expression. For example, before filming, I may want to shape a cleaner opening line or turn a messy idea into something smoother and easier to say.
Help me summarize.
In those moments, I'd lean more toward ChatGPT. That's because it feels better at organizing language, structuring logic, and polishing the way you say things. For titles, outlines, summaries, or smoothing spoken lines, ChatGPT often feels more natural and efficient. The third scenario is travel or daily support. Think reading a menu, checking a street sign, or handling a quick translation or explanation on the spot. This kind of situation fits the glasses form especially well because it feels more natural and doesn't require you to keep looking down at your phone. So if I had to sum it up in one sentence, Gemini is better at connecting you to external information, while ChatGPT is better at helping you organize and express your thoughts. One is more focused on accessing information in real-world scenarios, while the other is stronger at structuring language in content-driven situations. In AI glasses, they are not redundant, they complement each other. If you want to see more real-world examples of how Gemini and ChatGPT differ across different scenarios, leave a comment and let me know. I've also put the official website link below.